Preheat the oven to 375 degrees. We're gonna put 1 3/4 cups of flour in the food processor. 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 5 tablespoons salted butter. Turn the food processor on and the mixture should look like this. Now we're gonna add 3/4 cup of heavy whipped cream. Then mix it to look like this. Grease the sides of a 9-inch pan and put the dough in there. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes. This is what it should look like. Put a metal bowl in the freezer for 15 minutes for the cheesecake filling part. Put 1 1/2 cups of heavy cream in the frozen bowl. You know what time it is! Until it is a little thick. Add 3/4 cup of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, then beat until it is a little bit stiff. Beat 24 ounces of room temperature cream cheese until it is smooth. Then add to the whipped cream mixture. Slice the strawberries and arrange them like so. Cover the pan with the cheesecake mixture. Now onto the strawberry sauce. We're going to puree the strawberries in the food processor. Add 1 tablespoon of water in the strawberry puree, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 3/4 teaspoon of cornstarch. Then mix constantly for 1 minute. Let the sauce cool for 1 minute, then add the sauce on top of the cheesecake. Refrigerate the cheesecake for 4 to 5 hours. And voila! This is what the final product looks like.